Hello, good people, and welcome to a guitar lesson. Now, this will only be about as long as your attention span is, but that's okay. It's okay, we can get quite a bit fit in there. So we take the pointer finger starting off, and we put it on the second string. That's the second fret of the second string. Then we take your middle finger. You take the second fret once again of the third string. Now you're going one down. Alright, so alright, and you hold those two there. You play the whole set of strings. It goes E minor. Perfect. Alright, now you take that and you scoot it just a little bit over. This time you take your middle finger and your ring finger and you put them in the same position as your fingers just were. But this time you take that pointer finger that was in front, you put it on the first fret of the G string. You get beautiful.